Oh, there you go. I figured out how to record now. Silly. That's what I'm gonna do. There's a blizzard outside. Yes, I am standing out here because I'm an idiot and I want to video record it. But I don't know if you can really see it that well. It's fucking cold. My hands are freezing. And I don't want to go back inside to put on my gloves. I'm smart like that, I know. Supposedly it's gonna be about 2 inches of snow today. No, 2 feet. Yeah, there you go. So, I guess this isn't as much as we're gonna see till later. Fun!